Welcome. Today, we begin a slow, detailed, and mindful journey into deep skin cleansing and blackhead removal. This process is not about force, it is about patience, precision, and respect for the skin. Blackheads are a form of open comedones. They develop when pores become clogged with excess sebum, dead skin cells, and impurities. When exposed to air, the trapped material oxidizes, turning dark in color. Contrary to popular belief, blackheads are not dirt. Blackheads are a form of open comedones. They develop when pores become clogged with excess sebum, dead skin cells, and impurities. When exposed to air, the trapped material oxidizes, turning dark in color. Contrary to popular belief, blackheads are not dirt. They are a natural reaction of the skin's oil and keratin. Healthy skin is not achieved by harsh treatments. It is achieved by consistency, cleanliness, hydration, and gentle care. Step 1. Environment preparation. Before touching the skin, we prepare the environment. The room should be quiet, clean, well ventilated, comfortably warm. Lighting should be soft but focused enough to see pores clearly. All tools must be sanitized. Hands must be thoroughly washed for at least 20 seconds. The client or subject should be lying comfortably, head supported, neck relaxed. Hair must be secured away from the face using a clean headband or towel. Step 2. Skin assessment. Before cleansing, observe the skin carefully. Look for oily zones, especially nose, chin, forehead, enlarged pores, active acne or inflammation, dry patches or sensitivity. Blackhead removal should never be performed on inflamed pimples, broken skin, severe acne lesions. Every face is unique. Treatment must always be customized. Step 3. First cleansing. Surface impurity removal. Begin with a gentle cleanser suited to the skin type. Apply the cleanser using slow, circular motions. Start from the center of the face. Move outward toward the ears. Avoid aggressive rubbing. Focus on nose creases, chin folds, jawline. This step removes makeup residue, pollution, excess oil. Rinse with lukewarm water. Pat dry with a clean towel. Never rub. Step 4. Second cleansing. Deep purification. The second cleanse targets deeper impurities. Use a foaming or gel cleanser containing salicylic acid for oily skin, tea tree or green tea for antibacterial support. Massage gently for at least 60 seconds. This allows active ingredients to penetrate pores. Rinse thoroughly. Skin should feel clean, not tight. Step 5. Exfoliation. Dead skin removal. Exfoliation is essential for blackhead treatment. Use a mild exfoliant. Enzyme-based or chemical exfoliants are preferred. Avoid harsh physical scrubs. Apply evenly and massage lightly, especially on blackhead-prone areas. This step removes dead skin cells, prevents pore blockage, improves skin texture. Step 6. Steaming. Pore softening. Steaming opens pores and softens blackheads. Position the steamer 12-18 inches from the face. Steam duration 5 to 10 minutes. Cover the head lightly with a towel to trap steam. Steam helps to loosen hardened sebum, increase blood circulation, prepare skin for extraction. If skin is sensitive, shorten steaming time. Step 7. Skin rest and breathing pause. After steaming, allow the skin to rest for 1 minute. This pause prevents overstimulation, allows moisture balance, gently blot excess water if necessary. Step 8. Disinfection and tool preparation. Sanitize all extraction tools using alcohol or antiseptic solution. Wear disposable gloves if possible. Cleanliness prevents infection, scarring, post-treatment breakouts. Never proceed with unclean tools. Step 9. Manual extraction. Technique explanation. Blackhead extraction must be slow and controlled. Use clean fingers wrapped in gauze or a sterile cum-done extractor. Apply gentle, even pressure around the pore. Never press directly downward. If the blackhead does not release easily, stop, move to another area, return later. Force causes damage. Step 10. Nose blackhead removal. The nose contains dense sebaceous glands. Work in small sections, sides first, then bridge, finally tip. Apply slow pressure. Wipe tool between extractions. Observe skin response continuously. Step 11. Chin and jawline extraction. The chin often holds deep, stubborn blackheads. Use shorter pressure cycles. Allow the skin to relax between extractions. Patience is essential. Step 12. Forehead. Forehead pores may appear smaller but clog easily. Use minimal pressure. Avoid hairline irritation. Step 13. Post-extraction soothing. After extraction, skin may appear red. Apply a calming toner containing witch hazel, aloe vera, rose water. This helps close pores, reduce inflammation, restore pH balance. Let the skin absorb naturally. Step 14. Antibacterial mask application. Apply a clay or charcoal mask. Benefits: absorbs remaining oil, detoxifies pores, prevents future blackheads. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not allow mask to crack completely. Step 15. Mask removal and cooling. Remove mask using cool water. Cooling tightens pores, calms redness. Pat dry gently. Step 16. Hydration. Serum application. Apply a lightweight serum. Hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. Hydration is crucial even for oily skin. Massage gently until absorbed. Step 17. Moisturizing. Seal hydration with a non-comedogenic moisturizer. This protects the skin barrier and prevents excess oil production. Step 18. Sun protection, daytime. If treatment is done during the day, apply sunscreen. Post-extraction skin is more sensitive to UV damage. Step 19. Aftercare instructions. Advise the following. Avoid makeup for 24 hours. Do not touch or squeeze pores. Avoid heat and sweating. Hydrate and keep skin clean. Step 20. Long-term blackhead prevention. Consistency is key. Maintain regular cleansing, weekly exfoliation, balanced skincare routine. Healthy skin reflects healthy habits. Step 21. Skin temperature normalization. At this stage, the skin has undergone cleansing, extraction, and masking. Now, we allow the skin temperature to normalize naturally. Place cool, clean compresses gently over the face for 1 to 2 minutes. This helps reduce lingering redness, calm nerve endings, prevent post-treatment sensitivity. No pressure is applied, only stillness and comfort. Step 22. Pore tightening toner application. Apply a pore tightening toner using soft cotton pads. Look for ingredients such as witch hazel, green tea extract, chamomile. Gently press the toner into the skin rather than wiping. This seals the pores and restores skin balance. Step 23. Lymphatic drainage massage. Begin a light lymphatic massage using upward and outward motions from chin to ears, from nose to temples, from forehead upward. This step reduces swelling, improves circulation, flushes out toxins. Step 24. Antibacterial spot protection. Apply a thin layer of antibacterial gel to extracted areas. This prevents bacterial growth, post-extraction breakouts, inflammation. Allow the product to absorb fully before proceeding. Step 25. Calming sheet mask therapy. Place a soothing sheet mask over the face. Choose masks infused with aloe vera, centella asiatica, cucumber extract. Let the mask rest for 10 to 15 minutes. The skin absorbs nutrients while fully relaxing. Step 26. Deep relaxation pause. During the mask session, silence is encouraged. This pause lowers stress hormones, improves skin healing, enhances absorption. Breathing becomes slow and even. Step 27. Mask removal and essence pattern. Remove the sheet mask gently. Do not rinse. Pat remaining essence into the skin using clean fingertips. This locks in hydration and nutrients. Step 28. Skin barrier repair serum. Apply a barrier repair serum. Key ingredients include ceramides, panthenol, peptides. This step strengthens the skin's natural defense system after extraction. Step 29. Eye area care. Apply a soothing eye cream. Use the ring finger to tap lightly under the eyes, along the orbital bone. This prevents puffiness and dryness. Step 30. Nourishing moisturizer layering. Apply a nourishing but lightweight moisturizer. Massage slowly until fully absorbed. This seals all previous treatments and prevents moisture loss. Step 31. Facial oil, optional. For dry or mature skin, apply a single drop of facial oil. Press gently into the skin. Avoid oily zones if prone to breakouts. This adds glow and elasticity. Step 32. Final cooling touch. Use a chilled jade roller or ice globes if available. Roll upward slowly to reduce redness, tighten pores, improve blood flow. This step also enhances relaxation. Step 33. Post-treatment skin check. Observe the skin carefully. Healthy signs include mild pink tone, smooth texture, no broken capillaries. Any excessive redness indicates overstimulation and should be addressed with calming products. Step 34. Client aftercare education. Explain aftercare clearly and calmly. Advise no makeup for 24 hours. Avoid touching the face. Skip exfoliation for 3 to 5 days. Education is part of treatment. Step 35. Home cleansing guidelines. Recommend gentle home cleansing twice daily using non-comedogenic products. Over-cleansing can worsen blackheads. Step 36. Weekly exfoliation plan. Suggest exfoliation only once or twice weekly. Prefer chemical exfoliants, mild enzyme masks. Avoid physical scrubs. Blackhead removal is not about perfection. It is about balance. Gentle care, mindful techniques, and patience will always yield better results than force. Thank you for allowing this moment of calm, care, and clarity.